Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through two models of silk sarees collection in very low range without compromising the quality of the product. In the first set, you are seeing as a fancy rainbow silk sarees with simple zari woven borders. The whole body part of these sarees are having multicolor striped rainbow designs along with a seer pallu and running blouse. These collections are light in weight and easy to carry, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 400 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. And moving to the second set of collection is again a fancy silk saree model. The material is soft silk type. Beautiful prints are there all over the body part with symmetrical zari woven borders along with running or contrast printed pallu and blouse. And this simple and humble collection you are getting in a price of 500 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. For now, our payment mode is through online only. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your needs through the given WhatsApp number. Hope you guys like this beautiful collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.